What's going on YouTube? Hi, myself Rohit and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before I bring my screen up, I just want to reiterate that I'm not a financial advisor. Any risk that you take is completely on your own and you're responsible for your own money. So as we can see, my portfolio is up 2.96% for the day, and it's basically due to NEO and Xpeng. I have a pretty big holding in NEO, and NEO was up because of the news coming out. So this morning there was a tweet from NEO that it has completed its 2 million power swap stations. So this is a very big news and everybody bought into it. The main thing which separates NEO from any other EV company is just because of the battery swap technology. They have a technology where they can replace the battery straight away instead of getting it charged completely. The 2 million number that was reported today appears to be higher than the investor expected, and the NEO stock is responding accordingly. So just because of that simple news that they have established their 2 million power stations, and the NEO stock went up today quite decently. So yesterday it was announced that NEO has got a deal with a German company which basically deals with providing a roadmap on how the company looks to develop a battery swap and a charging infrastructure. This has surpassed the interest again in the NEO stock, and everybody's trying to get back into it. So NEO had a massive sell-off recently in last few months. According to the analyst, the lowest price for the NEO stock is $38.80 and the average is $63.64 and the high is $81. So as we can see according to the screen, it really states that NEO is at the bottom right now. If you invest in this company right now, you might get a quick rebound. So the price target for NEO has been set up to $63.64. That's the average pricing for the NEO stock currently, and it's having an upside for 69.48%. That's a lot. That's more than 50%. And right now the current price for the NEO stock is $37.55. So we can see it's a little bit below. NEO is a company that I would be staying invested for another 10 years in future. So as the stimulus check is almost gone through, I'm pretty much expecting that NEO is the only EV company which is a solid buy right now. People will be much more invested in NEO rather than Tesla, though Tesla is a very long run and it's not just a electric vehicle company, it's an energy company. So Tesla is a very high growth stock. NEO is a high growth as well, but we cannot compare NEO and Tesla because Tesla is an American company and NEO is a Chinese. Though the plus points with NEO is way too more than Tesla, the battery swap technology as well as their charging stations everywhere as compared to what's there in America. They're gonna try to establish themselves in America as well. I'm pretty sure if the NEO comes to America, it's a very big deal, and the NEO stocks will definitely go up even if they announces. So as I was mentioning in my previous video, NEO has listed some job opportunities in America, which is a very big thing and which is just a sign, and it's just the beginning of something big is going to happen with the NEO stock. So currently as we can see, it's at $37.55. If that news come through, that's going to be a very big news for the NEO stock, and we are waiting for that day to be there. In the meanwhile, I'm just going to keep on increasing my position in NEO. So Xpeng was my second stock. Just because of that, my portfolio was up today. As we can see for the Xpeng, its current price target is $49.64, and there is a 46.78% upside in that stock still there, and the low of this stock is $34 and the average is $49.64 and the high is $57. So we can see there is quite a lot of upside in the Xpeng as well. Xpeng is a very solid EV company from China as well. Xpeng is one of those companies which has gone a little bit way too far beyond the NEO as well, that they have already got themselves established in Europe. So on my screen, I'm going to bring up another stock, ticker symbol SOS. That's a Bitcoin mining company, and this stock is down quite a bit just because of a lot of speculation on this stock. So my take on SOS is simple. I'm going to establish a very small position in this stock, though it's very highly speculative. It has already been up to $15.88 recently, and it went down all the way. Right now today it was $5.01, but when I woke up this morning it was around $4.65. So this stock, I think it's pretty speculative. They are like, it's just like a bubble, just like an EV sector. Everybody is trying to open up their own Bitcoin mining company. There have been a lot of stocks recently like Mara and Riot. They had a pretty solid run. You know, they went from just exactly like this $7-8 to, I mean, $40, $45, $50, even $60 even. So I mean, this is a very high speculative stock. It's going to fluctuate according to the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is very volatile. You know, it can go up extremely and it can go down extremely as well. So I mean, the Bitcoin is going to actually give an effect on these stocks as well, like Mara, Riot, and SOS as well, because it's a Bitcoin mining company. So if you're thinking of investing yourself in the US stock market, please use the link in the description box below. You will get a free stock, I will get a free stock. So you will get one stock free out of these three: GoPro, Dropbox, or Nike. So if you have any questions regarding any stock that you want me to talk about, please leave it in the comment section. I will do my research on it and I will make a video on it. Please like and subscribe my channel. Till the time, stay invested and stay focused.